Hi everybody, welcome to continue course Learn Python. We're talking now about list class. The list is matrix that doesn't have a fixed size. It can store values of different type at once, and you can switch their values at any time. List definition method. The definition to define a list, we use square bracket symbol. Within this code you can pass value directly to the provided a comma is placed between each of the two elements. You can specify only the type and the number of items you want to place in it. As you see in the example, numbers is a list. Use bracket, square bracket, and add value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and print list numbers. The result as shown here. This is the result. This is list, and this is the result. You can determine the length of the list using any type. Here string multiply by 3. That means the list of strings contain 3 items. Index started with 0, language is 0, Arabic, language 1, English, language 2, French. If you print list languages, it will represent the result Arabic, English, French like this. This is variable type. This is number of items. If you have a different type of variables, you use object. The list data equal object multiply by 4. Data index 0, 100. Data index 1, 5.5. Data index 2, true. Data index 3, hello. This is integer. This is decimal. This is boolean. This is text, string. When you print data, a different type shown as the result here. Objects means any type of variable. How to access list item in Python. How to certain item be selected. If you have a list called months, it is string multiply by 12 months. You can entering months equal January, February, March, and so on until November and December. This is the list view in the memory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From left, this is the index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you print months and select index 5, here index 5, it will print June. The result June. If you have the same list and they get index from right, it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. If you print months with index -7, it also gives you June, as you see here. From right, June have index -7, but from left it has index 5. If you have names list called names, Rami, Sarah, Nada, Muhammad, Salim. If you get a loop for X in names, print X, it will print the list like this. Each item for a separate line. If you have numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in a list called numbers, and the variable total equals 0, you can make summation for use loop x in number, total equal x. Every time you add x to the total, and the total print the summation is total sum is 150. Summation of all this number. If you want to delete item from the list using del order, if you have array int multiply by 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, this is the list array. If you use del array 0, you will remove the index, the item have index 0 from here, and the remain 20, 30, 40, 50 like this. If you del array 1, have the index 1 in the new array, in the new list, you will remove 30, it will be 20, 40, 50. This is the final list. The index changed every time. Here is the index changed from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 0, 1, 2, 3, and in the last the index changed to 0, 1, 2. If you have this list also, you can delete from index 0 to index 3 the item list, the index before index 3 here. This is del array from 0 to 3, the item before 3, from 0 to index before 3, 0, 1, 2. The final list is 40, 50, and has index 0, 1. If the array as you see here, and the del array without anything, it will remove all the array. Array is not defined. Give you this name error, name ARR, the list array is not defined because it is deleted completely. If you have array like this, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and array 2 equal array from 0 to 3, the new one, array 2, will be 10, 20, 30. From here, index 0, 1, 2, the array index from 0 to the index before 3. The index before 3 is 2. So we will get the index 0, 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, like this. From 0 to 3 minus 1 equal to from 0 to 2. To merging two lists, if you have list 1, 2, 3 and another array list 4, 5, 6, you can merge the two array in new array 3, array 1 plus array 2, and print array 3. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the summation for two array items, the list of two items, the list of two array items. Multiply list, if you have array Python, multiply by 3, print array, it will repeat it Python 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If you have array Muhammad, Roni, Rima, Sarah, and x equal Rima, print is Rima is in the list, print x in array. If x in these items, Rima, it will be true. Yes, it is true. If not, it give you false. The list functions, as you see, append function, the first function. If you have a list apple, banana, mango, and print before a list before, and a list append orange, and print after a list, it will add orange to the list, the end of the list here. This is before apple, banana, mango, and after append apple, banana, mango, orange in the end. Extend function. If you have list 1, 1, 2, 3 and list 2, 4, 5, 6, if list 1 extend list 2, it will add list 2 at the end of list 1, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use function extend. Insert function. If you have list 1, 1, 2, 3, list 2, 4, 5, 6, list 1 insert 1, this is the index, list 2, it will insert the list 2 after index 1 here. There is index 0 and the 1 here, 2, 3, it will insert list here in index 1. Bob function. If you have a list like this, you can a list bob, return remaining element 50 is the last one here, and here a list with the new remaining element is 10, 20, 30, 40. That means the bob function removes the last item from the list. Bob function also removes item which has index 1. You can use bob and put the index here. It will remove the index 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be removed 20 when you at list bob 1 after remaining element is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 20 is removed from here. Clear function. If you have a list like this, you can clear all items from it by using clear function. A list clear, a list contain nothing. Copy function. If you have list 1 like this, you can copy list 2 from list 1 using copy function. This make a copy of the list as the same. Count function. You can, if you have list like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, found a list 3, print number 3 exists found in the list, number 3 exists 5 in the list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can remove using the index. If you have a list of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a list remove 6, there is no index 6, so it gives you error x not in list. Remove first selected item from a list. In this example, you have index and the start index start from to end. A list have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A list index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then a list index is 3, 1, and also a list index is 3, 1, 5. Print a list index 10. 10 is not in list. This is index the index of 3, 0, 1, 2, there is 2. The index of 3 started from index 1, it is 2. Index of 3 starting from index 1 to index 5, it is 2. Index of 10 is not in list. Sort item in list. If you have a list like this, you can sort like this from descending. If you have true, it is descending, and if false, it is ascending. Reverse order of items in list. If you have a list like this, 3, 4, 1, 5, you can reverse them. 5, 1, 4, 3. Convert a set object to list. If you have a set, name a set like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can get a list from it using list a set, converting to list like this. Set up using bracket and don't have duplicated the set. This is an example of set. If you have my set 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, print my set 1, 2, 3, 4, no repeated. If you have my set also 1, 2, 3, 2, print my set, it is 1, 2, 3, remove duplicated from the set. Remove duplicated. Duplicated here is 2, 3 and 2. Duplicated here is 2. This is the embed function in the list. Len and the list name returns the number of items in the list. Minimum and the name of list returns the minimum item of the list. Maximum and the list returns the maximum item on the list. List and the sequence returns list from any object. Thank you. See you in the next lecture. I will attach all functions to this lecture.